Hey everyone, and welcome to filmingwithmr.com. My name is Omar Espinoza, and I'm an elementary school teacher who fell in love with filmmaking and decided to bring it into the classroom. In this website, you're gonna find different ways to edit videos, whether you're on a phone, a camera, a Mac, or a PC, or tablet. And you're gonna be able to create your own videos from that. So go ahead and browse around, and then you can also go to the challenges tab, and there you're going to be able to see the different challenges I have set up for all of you. Now, if you are under 13 years old, please get parent permission. And this is solely because of Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. All of those, you need an age requirement. So please go ahead and get your permission. And if you do get permission, go ahead and do the challenges. Go ahead and tag me. There'll be hashtags there. There'll be different things that we can do to showcase your work. I'm excited to launch this. If you have any tricks or tips that you want me to share with you, go ahead and message me that on Instagram, Filming with Mr. E. Hope to hear from you soon.